Well, back on it after the bank holiday Monday break, and the first one up is a black Honda EP3 for Honda Vert tuning here at Dynodaze. Richard's done a standard power run and it's done okay, and now he's removing an ECU, so I better go get him an ECU to put in it. Okay, so we got some mods. We've got an intake, big ass ram air filter. It's also got an exhaust. It's got a sports cap. What else are we looking at? Has it got a 4-to-1 manifold, this? Yeah. It's got a 4-to-1 manifold, customer says. Good morning, Richard.
Morning.
Would you like to show the world how I branded you over the weekend?
Yeah. You assaulted me, you mean?
I did assault him. I burned him with the O2 sensor. Look at that, everyone. I've kissed it better, I promise you. I've made a note in the accident book. He's requested a day off work, but that's been denied.
No win, no fee, mate.
No, that's right.
No win, no fee. Injured at work, not your fault.
Not your fault. Own the company, sue yourself.
Yeah, sue yourself.
I did not have appropriate training, Richard.
Is that what you're going with? Instant defence didn't have appropriate training for that piece of equipment.
Yeah, where was your PPE, your health and safety gear?
What? I'm supposed to protect myself from you wielding something red hot, so it instantly becomes my fault.
Red hot wit and charm. Yeah, sorry about that, Richard. I felt real bad all weekend when I was sat with pants playing the PlayStation.
Sat on your pants to play
I felt so bad, mate.
Yeah.
I thought about your injury all weekend.
I bet you didn't.
No, I didn't. No, I did. I felt bad.
Has it got a standard in it on this one?
It has got a standard in that. Yeah, so Richard has now fitted the Honda Vert board. The ECU is in, and now we're going to upload our back after we've done standard power runs this morning already. Base file on there, and we'll set ourselves up for tuning this morning. I would like the young cob lady to turn up with my hot scotched egg.
That's not what you called her earlier.
No, it's not. But for the purposes of this video, she is the cob lady.
Now tell the people at home what you called her.
There she is. There she is. I can hear her.
Oh, that got you out of that.
Yeah, it did. And on that note, would you like anything from the cob
fine,
lady? No. Okay, right. Here I go. I'm going to the cob lady. Oh, it's raining. There she is. She brings us breakfast every morning. Food for thought. Nuneaton's best fresh food and scummy hot scotched eggs, which is what I get myself.
Nom 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 nom.
Okay, so there you go, guys. Blue line is after it came in, red line is before. Massive gains there in the mid-range as per usual. Made some peak numbers. Finished to
Got wood, mate.
That's a piece of wood.
Have you got wood?
What's that, like your weapon to beat me? Is that because I burnt? Is that because I burnt you?
No, I've got wood.
You got wood. Right. Sorry. God, so difficult. Right. So we finish on 227.8, which is lovely. 198 at the wheels. Yeah, really happy with that. Looks good. Your feelings, Richard, on this particular one? It's got a sports cat in it.
No one cares about my feelings.
No one cares about your feelings? I don't believe that's true, mate. We care about you, Rich.
Least of all you.
I won't have that said. I won't have that said. I think we need to put some ink in the printer, so that's my next task. Put some ink in the printer. There we go, so ink replaced. It's because that's one of my jobs. Printer's busy printing away. The EP3's being unstrapped. And that is job one for the week. Short week this week. Yeah, and as you can see, lots of gains. Peak gains and mid-range gains. Yeah, we finish on 227.8. Happy days.
Light was pretty fast.